Hello. OpenAI has released its most powerful coding tool yet, and it's Codex. You may have heard of the Codex CLI, which was used in the command line, but this is actually going to be on the website, a graphical user interface that anyone will be able to use straight from ChatGPT itself. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So today they have just dropped Codex for the Pro users and will be coming out with it most likely soon for Plus users. But I wanted to dive into this so that you guys can know about it, and it should be a useful tool that will help in making your own applications without even knowing how to code. Alright, so it says introducing Codex, a cloud-based software engineering agent that can work on many tasks in parallel, powered by Codex-1, available to ChatGPT Pro Team Enterprise users today and Plus users soon. And I'll go over a bit of what they have to say about it. And here we go.
Introducing Codex, a cloud-based software engineering agent that can work on many tasks in parallel, powered by Codex One. Available to ChatGPT Pro, Team, and Enterprise users today, and Plus users soon. Today, we're launching a research preview of Codex, a cloud-based software engineering agent that can work on many tasks in parallel. Codex can perform tasks for you, such as writing features, answering questions about your codebase, fixing bugs, and proposing pull requests for review. Each task runs in its own cloud sandbox environment, preloaded with your repository. Codex is powered by Codex-1, a version of OpenAI o3 optimized for software engineering. It was trained using reinforcement learning on real-world coding tasks in a variety of environments to generate code that closely mirrors human style and PR preferences, adheres precisely to instructions, and can iteratively run tests until it receives a passing result. We're starting to roll out Codex to ChatGPT Pro, Enterprise, and Team users today, with support for Plus and Edu coming soon. How Codex works. Today, you can access Codex through the sidebar in ChatGPT and assign it new coding tasks by typing a prompt and clicking Code. If you want to ask Codex a question about your codebase, click Ask. Each task is processed independently in a separate, isolated environment preloaded with your codebase. Codex can read and edit files, as well as run commands including test harnesses, linters, and type checkers. Task completion typically takes between 1 and 30 minutes, depending on complexity, and you can monitor Codex's progress in real time. Once Codex completes a task, it commits its changes in its environment. Codex provides verifiable evidence of its actions through citations of terminal logs and test outputs, allowing you to trace each step taken during task completion. You can then review the results, request further revisions, open a GitHub pull request, or directly integrate the changes into your local environment. In the product, you can configure the Codex environment to match your real development environment as closely as possible. Codex can be guided by agents.md files placed within your repository. These are text files, akin to readme.md, where you can inform Codex how to navigate your codebase, which commands to run for testing, and how best to adhere to your project's standard practices. Like human developers, Codex agents perform best when provided with configured dev environments.
Alright, and that was sort of a sneak peek at Codex, and I encourage you guys to try it for yourself. Sounds like a very powerful tool that will shape the future of software development. And this is JTechie. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and as always, peace.